Doug Hubert with Deloitte Consulting, and I'm the lead architect for the GenOne offering. F&a-as-a-service is a subscription-based model so that an organization can provide managed services as opposed to actually housing that organization in-house. GenOne is a turnkey f&a-as-a-service solution for the marketplace. It involves a partnership of Deloitte Consulting as well as Genpact and OSV and also Workday. The platform is built on a Workday cloud platform for ERP services and uses Genpact for the managed service and Deloitte to actually do the implementation and provide the AMS services after the implementation. And then for an integration layer wrapper, we use OSV for that. GenOne, the basic way that we roll out GenOne is there's one contract for the entire service. And from that one contract, you will have an implementation, an accelerated implementation that will happen in probably 1/2 to 2/3 of the time of a traditional implementation. Once you're up on the product, you have application managed services from the Deloitte group. You have Genpact carrying on the F&a services in that model for the organization. And then as there's continuous improvement with the package as well. So as Workday rolls out additional updates from period to period, and they do twice a year, then those updates are automatically handled by the package services. So it really is a turnkey solution, allowing an organization to house its finance administrative functions outside of the organization. There could be a number of pain points, but GenOne would really address pain points around, first of all, after the fact, the ability to manage the application going forward, as well as the Workday releases going forward, having continuous improvement going forward, but also a client not wanting to have a large cash outlay, needing a subscription-based model going forward, a client that is interested in standardization, that understands the benefits of standardization. Genpact is a standardized offering, and that allows the client to get up on that standardized offering very quickly. And then also there's some advantages with regard to AI that a client can take advantage of. So if a client really is looking to move up into more a recent type of technology, then the GenOne package has that offering for them. If a client's already on HCM, then the GenOne offering will take advantage of that and will tweak it so that it is aligned with the GenOne offering and that it enables a client to meet the goals that they are expecting to meet. If the client is not on an HCM package, then that is okay as well, and we will bring them up sufficiently on the HCM product for Workday because it is a unified product. We'll sufficiently bring them up on Workday so that they'll be able to take advantage of the GenOne finance package, F&a-as-a-service. Now, there's nothing else similar in the marketplace right now. There are a lot of opportunities in the marketplace to do some of the things that GenOne does, but GenOne is the first offering to wrap everything into one package. The managed services, the application itself, being Workday as a platform for that, getting the organization onto a cloud platform, the availability of robotics and machine learning, and then having an accelerated deployment with a sustainment model after the fact, all wrapped into one package. So we recently were contacted by an insurance provider in the upstate New York area, and that insurance provider was basically part of a divestiture of another group, and they needed a way to get onto a scalable platform very quickly, something that was standardized, something that would elevate their technology base from the standpoint of not only cloud technology, but also AI technology and machine learning, and they wanted to go with GenOne because GenOne provides all those services. They also did not want to have a large cash outlay up front, so the subscription model worked very well for them, and the fact that they did not have to create their own sustainment organization going forward, but that would be part of the solution, was a big selling point for them as well. Well, I think a customer needs to look at where they are and what their operating model will be going forward and where they want to be. they also need to take a look at what types of investments do they want to make and where are those investments best placed. With the changing environment in business today, it makes a lot of sense to leave some flexibility, and having an ERP system that is standardized, that takes advantage of all of the latest AI that's out there and available, being able to provide managed services for your F&A office, and being able to have a provider such as OSV take care of a lot of the processing for you, enables an organization to not focus on the blocking and tackling of doing everyday business, but to focus on the strategic and goal-oriented tasks that they need to do in order to be successful.